So I'm just take 3 pepper for a tray here. Throw some Maggi in there, all purpose. Throwing the cock soap on there. You know? This is how it look now, guys. See that? Tell me say that don't look good. And for me, you know? Plate clean. Yeah man, we're there in a Ghetto kitchen today, you know. And more say big up Stretch. And more big up some vloggers as well. And give thanks for the sub them what me I get from the other day. Really appreciate it, you know. Yeah man, what me I say, this is Game Face, otherwise known as Damien. You see me I say representing for the Robinson Family TV. You get me? Yeah man, so more I say big up to some vloggers, you know, Nikki and Stretch and couple others. When I say subscribe to my channel, I really appreciate it. I really love that. You get what I say? I really appreciate that. Appreciate love that. Big up Drizzy, big up Junior Lifestyle, Color Smith. You get what I say? J Bud, T-Bag, Papi, the whole of them. And go and big up on yourself. You get what I say? Yeah man. Hidden Beauty. You don't know the thing go. And so many more. And go and big up on yourself. You get me? Yeah man, just a come tune in on the thing. You see me, I said, been watching for years now. You see me? And me decide to start my own thing. You get me? Yeah man. So I want to say big up to all of the man them. And to the menu are some sardine. You get me? Sardine, rice, coconut milk. I don't know, I season them with my pumpkin and my Maggi and my butter. And that's the thing there. One pot me I do today. You see me, I say everything mixing in one. Season rice. So I'm gonna start the ball rolling here now. So I'm gonna just check in. You see me? Yeah man. Big respect and manners, and really appreciate the sub them when I get the comments. You see what I say? Go and bless up on yourself and manners and respect to each and every one. Up and out. Yeah man. So I'm gonna wash out my pot here now. You get me? Yeah man, I'm gonna wash out my pot here now and get the seasoning and the thing them together. Pot wash already still, you know. To make do for the camera and make them well clean enough to par. You see it? Yeah man. Then it's off the spoon, you know. And thing go. So what I'm gonna just throw in the coconut milk, mix it, and put in a certain amount of water. Let me know adequate enough to work, you know. First one I can then do. Yeah man. They are running one pot in a Ghetto kitchen, you know guys. You don't know what the thing go. Is what I say. So the Maggi, come on. So I'm gonna throw some water upon this, guys, and mix it up. to mix it till I get a consistent, you know, everything right out, mix right out. You know when you mix milk powder? Yeah man, right out. So I'm done mix it out. I'm gonna put it on with adequate amount of water. See this now guys, smooth, very smooth now guys. Just put it up on the edge and just rub them out, get them smooth as well, and down in the mixture, and that is it. Yeah man, so I'm going to put on a pot here now. I light the stove and put on pot now and then pre-season it. Make the season them go and cook out. You understand? Wash me season them, cut up my thing. By me done cut up. Yeah, by me wash me season them, cut up the pumpkin and thing. The water supposed to dip on a level me can throw in the pumpkin. You get me? Yeah man, so that is it. So I'm gonna light the stove here now and put on the pot. So I light the stove. Yeah, man. Throw in some more water. Okay guys, so that is the amount of water we're throw in. So I'm gonna go and cut up my scallion, my onion, and you know, season it up. So I'm just gonna make this go on jelly in. Yeah man. So catching up on that. I'm gonna cook some Caesar rice today. Yeah man, some coconut milk, Caesar rice, pumpkin, I don't know, sardine. Yeah man, so I just take 3 pepper for a tree here. I'm gonna put it in the pot because I'll go to the shop and them now have none, you know. Yeah man. Look at garden this, you know. So I'm gonna cut up my Caesar them guys. Man, pot up your up, you know. See if it don't smell right. Just so drop 1 pepper in the camera now. At the pepper is. And then again the jerk season. The jerk season have in pepper, you know, guys. Yeah, and that did bad. So just put a whole of pepper in there. Yeah. Now put no salt in the pot. until we're done using natural season them or powder season them. So we know exactly which part it there, you know? Yeah. Yeah man, no salt to the pot until we're done season the pot with all our ingredients, though. Alright, see this guys? Yeah man, this we're going to throw in the pot now. Make it go and boil in, and then we jump on the pumpkin, cut it up, shred up some, you know it go. Yeah man. So we'll head over to the pot now. You know. We'll head over to the pot now. So this is it, you know, coconut milk. This I go and set in and drop in with season them. That is it, you know, guys. Yeah man. So we'll make that go and boil now. We'll make this go and boil in now. Now drop the rest of the ingredients in the dough. Yeah man, when it start boil up, I'm going to throw in my pumpkin and my cock noodle. Alright. And some powder season. Yeah man. That is it. So I'm gonna cut the pot here now and get on with the rest of the seasoning, yeah. Alright. Alright, so now wash out the seasoning plate now. Wash out the both of them. Pumpkin time for cut up now, you know, guys. Yeah man, so clean up a pumpkin, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Get off a rough skin off fine, you know. And just remember, so this Caesar rice with sardine. You know the thing go. Now the Ghetto kitchen. You know the thing go. Straight out of Kingston, Jamaica, you know. Come on, them simple natural food, yeah. Yeah man. Look off, you know. Now I forgot oxtail sometimes. Sometimes some of them menu they are nice, you know. Sweet. So this is it, you know. So catch me through anything in the pot, you know, because the pot are bubbling, you know, guys. Yeah, man. So watch out, go on, you know. Yeah, man. See that? Coat not a bubble. So. That is it, you know. Yeah, man, that is it, guys. So I just throw in the noble them and make everything go and boil and set. That is it. So now go and season up the pot now differently, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So go and season up the pot now differently. Yeah, man, so Maggi, you know, grace, I mean, pumpkin noble, you have some people take out the noble itself, sieve it, but I like the whole flavour, you know. Yeah, man. Throw in the cup. Soup it up, mix. Oh, we want to smell this. One pot of cook today, you know, guys. One pot of cook today, you know. By two all-purpose. Maggi all-purpose. Some pepper what I did wash, guys. I did wash the pepper here, so show it in, you know. Up to sit now, I'm gonna put up. Sprinkle some more of the retail Maggi in it. The flavor of it get up in it, guys. season to the bone. Just so throw in a little jerk, you know. You want just a little jerk. Just a little kick there. Just a little. Alright guys, on this now. Remember this. I'm gonna blend up seasoning now guys. Oh, no, it's bad. Yo, nah, this tastes retardedly nice. Wicked. Done flavor up, you know, guys. So it's on the pumpkin cook. I'm gonna shred some more tonight. And after I shred that tonight, you know how that go. Get a 1 spoon and taste the flavor. Put this in the cup. God man, this smells so delicious. See if it tastes delicious too, no? Wow! Gosh man, just pepper it one. Just like a pepper. Murder! That's supposed to be hitting up us. That is it. So make that go and cook down and nice up itself, you know? Yeah. That is it. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna shred up a little piece of pumpkin, you know, and throw in a pot. You see me? Then go wash the rice. Now I'm gonna throw in my sardine, then I'm gonna wash my rice. Put all of the sardine in, I left one, put two, you understand? And I come back and wash the rice that boil out in the season and everything. I don't know, one of them, there you know, and get a bright flavour there, you know? Yeah man. So that guys. Throw this in the pot, you know? Yeah. named Rich. Make it go and boil out some more. Still I see the pumpkin there. Yeah, man, so make it go and boil out some more. Make the pumpkin go and boil out some more. Next time I come back at the rice we are throwing in, guys. Yeah, man, I will still not put in no butter yet. So slide in the butter here now too, you know. So when we come back, all of that we are do though. Alright. Alright, so I know what time now. The time now, we are going to put in our butter and throw in two of the sardine. Make it go and cook down. Then we are going to go for we wash the rice and come throw in. This is how it look now, guys. See that? Tell me so that don't look good. Alright, so this is all coming down. See what I'm talking about? Oh man, that is it. Give it a next taste before we put in the butter because this looks so rich and nice. Boy, oh boy. I want to taste this. Butter time now, you know. Sardine of choice. Them are one I like, you know. One down. One more to go after this one. What this I want to name? Sardine seasoned rice. Oh God, man, smell that. That is it, you know. So I'm gonna get the rice prepared, you know, and I'm dropping me in a pot, you know. Yeah, man. So rice time, you know. Just go wash the rice, guys. Time to throw it in a pot, you know. That is it. So that rich and nice, guys. Anything we have to do have to have in flavor, you know. Yeah, man. No overdo it, but that we set right, you know. That is it. Looking lovely though. Now I'm just mash out the sardine in my liquor. Even though you know when you cook and you stir your rice, I'm gonna get them like a blending same way. When me a youth, I grew up with my grandfather when he was alive, you know. My favorite food this was, you know. Oh God, man, this sweet. Just pepper. I don't really want it too pepper neither. Yeah, man. I feel like I add a little more pepper to it though. We have all our next Maggie. Yo, thing sweet. Now drop that in there. Blend up season this now, guys. Natural blend season. Yeah, man. If you watch a previous video, you know, so when I blend it up. Now how I blend it up, you know. So I'm just allow this to cook down now, guys. Yeah, man. See if the spice is on the right level. The water dry down a little more. Turn on the stove, you know. That is it. Yeah, man, guys, you know, see this? But guys, I'm done here, but I'm feeling my name after all pot. That is it, you know. So I'm just make it go and steam now, okay? Yeah, man. one my bag from the top now. No, I eat that. Come on, so I just get my bag. Tear it, wash it, take a little water up on the top, and give it about 5 minutes. With the rice I was supposed to be ready to share. Alright, so bag here, washing it guys. So that is it, you know. So for the next 5 minutes, rice ready. And is coconut milk, sardine, pumpkin, all in one. You get what I say? Yeah man, Caesar rice. Yeah. So it's all in one. We call it Caesar rice. You know, put in a pumpkin. We season it up with the Maggi seasoning, all purpose. We look at jerk. We blend up natural season. And also cut up some scallion, onion. You understand? Drop the thyme in it. You see me? Hot pepper. And the pumpkin nougat. And the cut nougat. Yeah man, so you know the thing go. Well rich and nice enough with treat in a sardine. Yeah man, so you know the thing go. Up. Lift up your bag for your liquor and test what I go on, you know. I tell you this smell good, you know man. Murder. See that guys? Rice come out good though. Food are bad. Oh God man. Rice just want to steam like a couple minutes more now guys. I'm gonna eat that. Don't know if fire turn now well low, you know. it. Eat this now, guys. Ready now, guys. That is it, sharing time. Yeah, guys, so sharing time, Me alone there now. Daughter asleep. So I'm just share for myself until them come in, This is it, guys. Yeah, man, so I don't know, so this is pumpkin, coconut milk, sardine, cooked down, Now one, Caesar rice. Know the thing, go. That is it.
I book a price. I said, come there, I said, yeah.
I know, man.
I just said, this girl said, space.
So that's sweet, guys. This guy almost done now, It's clean. Yeah, man. And may I say, even though I still chuckle with sub, I see an increase. Yeah, man, I see an improvement, and I like that. I respect that. And recently, book up on Nikki and Stretch vlog where them big me up and I ask subscribers to also support, and really respect and appreciate that, Yeah, man. Not many YouTubers doing that. There are some of them very selfish. And when you support them for years, subscribe on them channel for years, comment them sister is a vlogger as well. I mean I never just randomly just give you a shout out. Mickey and Stretch them have a good heart. As me say not many people are gonna do that. I really appreciate that. You see me? I have the habit of doing that sometime. Shout out in a couple of my vlogs. I shout out a couple of other vloggers. I comment on them channel. And no matter how I comment, no matter how them premiere and them live up and me drop message and you know talk and share reviews, we like this, we like that, there's not one reply to D Robinson. And they can see them a reply to many other channels. So it's a struggle. You understand? It is a real struggle. Not many people have a clean heart and want you to stand up beside them as a YouTuber. And the space big enough for everybody, you understand? So big up to Mickey and Stretch every time. And all of the real vloggers them out there. Yeah man, we are doing the right thing, you know? Big up and bless up on yourself, same way. Manners. Yeah man. And please remember to subscribe to the Robinson Family TV. Yeah man. Like, share, subscribe, you know. Help us grow. To bring on some nice content. Because we have some thing we want to do. And go on. But at just time. You see me? All like a fishing season just come up. Go out on the pier do rod fishing and you know. Online fishing on the Elsha side and all of them way there, you know. Yeah man, on the airport road. Them way there. So want to show all of them like adventure there in June time. So I don't know, big up on yourself, bless up, respect for the comment and the subscription. You see me? Mad love to roll on, yeah? Yeah man, blessed love and manners. That is